And welcome back, guys. We're gonna start digging now. I guess right outside here is a pretty good place to start. There's some cobblestone, so just don't want to dig directly down. Dirt is I believe, the only thing in the whole game that isn't used for anything, so it's pretty much just a throwaway block. Unless you're trying to make a bridge or something of that nature. So, it's starting to get dark, but we'll be alright down here. Daniel, on the other hand, I don't know about Daniel. He looks pretty defenseless over there. Stick on a torch. Barely get back up that. Not very exciting stuff yet, guys. Just trying to get the preliminary stuff started. Kind of why I wanted to do some stuff off screen for you, like get the house ready and you know, get some stuff starting exploration done, but where's the fun in that? You guys want to be here for the whole experience, right? Oh boy, oh boy. It's going to be a long time until we actually get somewhere useful. It is a small world, though. I picked a small world just for time's sake. If I had picked a medium or a large world to accomplish anything, it would have taken forever, so just gonna keep digging down. Hopefully we'll get out of this dirt and get into some stone and some ores and stuff here soon. I can't believe that tin was like right on the surface. Maybe I should have went over there and started digging instead. We're just gonna keep on chugging. One thing I do want to do is make a sky bridge, because it'll help us get to the other side of the map easier, which is, it's pretty useful. And on top of that, sky bridge is a pretty common technique to farm fallen stars, because you can just run across your sky bridge and the stuff will be up there, and you can just pick them up like in mass quantities, as well as it being a quick way to get across the map. So we're gonna build one of those, and once I get enough wood for all the well, I might be able to just use this dirt, since I'm just gonna throw it away anyway. Nice dirt sky bridge. I guess I could do that. I don't know if shooting stars fall from dirt though. Maybe they destroy dirt. Either way, once I get enough cobblestone or wood, or if dirt works, I'll Google it after that, after this episode. Skybridge is pretty cool. It'll help us get some mana and hopefully get some magic weapons once we get mana. Not a big fan of the magic weapons in this game. Like, some of them are kind of cool, but most of the time you just run out of mana too fast for them to do anything for you, and I don't know, they're just a lot of hassle. Finally getting some stone over here. Guess we're into the second layer now. Different layers. There's like underground 1, underground 2, and then there's like underground jungles in the jungle biome, and there's like secret caverns and stuff. So I love Terraria. It's one of my favorite games, and like I said, just one of the ultimate time wasters. I'm gonna grab some more of this stone. I need to make a furnace. That was my goal for this episode, was to make us a furnace. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I don't want to be boxed in with a zombie. Please, please no. No! Get back, dickbag. Useful against singular enemies, not so much as against hordes that we had. The hordes that we had that one time. It's a pretty slow weapon. Jump back up that. Wasted a seed. I should have brought a recall potion with me. How many torches do I have left? 28. Plenty of torches. I'd like to find something other than dirt, please. Please. It's got a bad seed on this world, I think. Freaking. There's nothing here but dirt. Like, normally I've already hit the stone and have gathered a bunch of iron and copper and everything else, but oh, here's some stone over here. Well, I'm gonna finish mining the stone and then I'm gonna head back up, because I'm pretty sure we met our goal of getting enough stone to make a furnace. More stone up here. Ooh, and some ore finally. Yay, progress. It looks like there's some more ore up here too. Ooh, here's some clay. Give me some of that. Alright, so I think we're pretty good. I'm gonna head back up now. Good first adventure into the underground. Think I can still get out of here without too much trouble. I can. Sweet, sweet. Oh, look at all these shooting stars. Oh, can I make it? Yep, I can make it. No thanks, don't want you in my house, Demon Eye. I'm gonna take one of those bottles, and you can actually put it on the table, and you can make an alchemy station. Oh, and you only need 3 of these to make a mana crystal? Yeah. Get some magics. And I guess I'll hold on to that grenade. I guess it's not counting it as it being in my inventory for the, So you can make healing potions. You need mushrooms and gel. That's what I put the bottle on the table for. We're not going to make any right now. I'm going to hang on to them until I get some more mushrooms. We're going to go down here and make a furnace, though. And furnace. Bingo. Bingo bango. For right now, I don't know where to put it. I guess I can get rid of one of these chests for right now and put it somewhere else. Put the furnace right here. Furnace. And we're gonna stick away some of our valuables. Hang on to the mushroom. I'm gonna go ahead and make these mana crystals. Oh, we're gonna hang on to the clay. We're gonna hang on to the dirt to make a sky bridge. We're gonna turn the ore that we have into bars. Bottle, you can go back in here. Chest, you can go inside the chest. There's some wood wall. We'll need that eventually. Hang on to the stone block. And I think we're good for right now. I am gonna increase my mana though. 10, 20 mana, 40 mana, and 60 mana. Easy peasy. I think the maximum is like 400, so got quite a bit of ways to go. We can make some tin and iron. Not a lot of tin. Not a lot of iron, but better than nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and make an iron anvil, but I am going to get rid of this table and chair, and you can move to a different room. I'm gonna go ahead and put the anvil down, right next to the furnace. And now I can make stuff. Not gonna make anything for right now, I don't believe. Don't believe I can make anything good at the moment since I don't have enough bars. But we're gonna go ahead and stick our bars back into the chest here. And I think that's a good place to leave off right now. So I will see you guys in the next video.